Mumbai Airport runways to be shut for 6 hours on May 8 for pre-monsoon maintenance. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport XMIA, one of India's busiest aviation hubs, has announced a temporary suspension of flight operations on May 8 between 11 am and 5 pm to carry out its annual pre-monsoon runway maintenance. Both the primary runway 0927 and secondary runway 1432 will be non-operational during this period. The scheduled maintenance is a vital part of CSMIA's larger monsoon contingency and preparedness plan, aimed at ensuring continued safety and seamless operations during the upcoming rainy season. Recognizing the importance of early communication, XMIA issued a notice to airmen a full 6 months in advance, allowing airlines and other stakeholders ample time to adjust their schedules and minimize inconvenience to passengers. CSMIA's airside infrastructure spans over 1,033 acres, and this annual upkeep is crucial for maintaining the health and efficiency of its operational surfaces. As part of the maintenance routine, teams of technical experts and engineers will conduct thorough inspections to assess surface wear and tear, repair runway markings, clean drainage systems, and implement preventive measures against waterlogging, factors critical to ensuring safe landings and takeoffs during the heavy monsoon rains typical in Mumbai. To enhance the efficiency and accuracy of the operation, XMIA will deploy advanced monitoring technologies to oversee the entire maintenance process in real time. The airport management has also worked in close coordination with multiple stakeholders, including airline operators and regulatory authorities, to ensure the work is completed smoothly and within the scheduled 6-hour window. Swipe left for next video. This planned exercise is a part of our long-standing commitment to operational safety and infrastructure resilience. The pre-monsoon maintenance helps us stay ahead of seasonal challenges, while minimizing disruptions for passengers and airlines alike, said a XMIA spokesperson. The airport has advised travelers flying in or out of Mumbai on May 8 to check with their airlines for possible changes in flight timings and to plan their journeys accordingly. XMIA continues to set benchmarks in aviation safety and service excellence by proactively investing in infrastructure maintenance and ensuring uninterrupted operations, even in challenging weather conditions. Latest blogs.